when you're personally developing yourself, personal development, it's not just about the new things you could learn. It's about the old limits that you believe. Because it's called brainwashing. You have to wash your brain out with all the things that you knew, because what you knew got you where you're at today. What you're going to learn will get you where you want to go, depending on what you choose to learn. So it's not just about learning new things. It's about unlearning the old limits that are blocking you because you were either taught, you seen somebody in your lifestyle, your family, your friends go that direction. So you only do what you know, right? If you knew better, you do better. But when you learn new things, as you unlearn, so you're washing your brain out with the old stuff and you're putting new stuff in, your life starts to change because you see things different, you react different, you move different, you attract different. It's almost like you're a new person, and you could still be in the same place you've been at. You just changed this.